Hello children, welcome back to our English class. Today we shall continue and conclude the lesson The Race. We stopped the previous class where we saw Tarun meeting Ram Narayan in the park. Let us see how this meeting changes Tarun's life. Tarun could not help but blush. All you need to do is keep that passion burning in you and never give up. Have you joined some training school? The man inquired. Inquired means Anweshichu. Tarun's smile faded and he seemed distraught. Distraught means very upset. A training school is very expensive, sir, and I am unemployed, said Tarun, feeling happy that he could joke even in these circumstances. Even in he felt proud or he felt happy that even in such a situation he could jokingly say that the training schools are expensive. But Ram Narayan seemed pretty serious. I will train you if you want, but I put forward a condition. What is your condition? Tarun's voice showed curiosity and anxiety. Tarun was curious to know what was the condition. There is a race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. Children of your age are competing there. Competing means malsarikya. If you participate and win that race, I will promise I will start training you, said Ram Narayan. That was Ram Narayan's condition. That is no big deal. I can do it. Can't I? Thought Tarun. I will, sir. He heard himself saying with complete conviction. Conviction means belief. For Tarun, running was his passion and he had full confidence in it. Fine boy, it is my job to get you entry in the race and remember yours to win it. Tell me what is your name? Asked Ram Narayan. Tarun's confidence impressed Ram Narayan and he promised to get him an entry into the race. Tarun. Tarun Kapoor, sir. Tarun, I will meet you here after 5 days to give you your participation card. All the best, said Ram Narayan and left. On the way home, Tarun thought that if his father had not scolded him, he wouldn't have got this opportunity. The next day brought a new ray of hope. Tarun got up early, had milk, and before his mother could finish her query means questions, on what he was up to, he ran out and went to the Nehru Stadium to check the details of the race. He was very happy indeed. Tarun started practicing zealously. Zealously means with enthusiasm, ulsahathode. Okay. Every day he would get up at 4 in the morning and run up to 10 miles. Tarun gave his name and Ram Narayan left after telling him when they would meet again. Tarun analyzed life optimistically by thinking it was good his father scolded him. He checked on the details of the race and was happy to find it is true. He started practicing tirelessly with all enthusiasm for the race. In the evenings, he would time himself according to the 1,000-meter distance prescribed by the competition. He wanted everything to be perfect. It was for the first time in his life that he was demanding such perfection in things he did, he thought. He also wanted someone to back him up, and so he told everything to his mother. Tarun practiced vigorously for 5 days. Vigorously means hard, practiced hard, and then promptly met Ram Narayan to collect his participation card. Promptly means with no delay. He gazed at the piece of paper on which his name had been printed boldly. It meant so much to him. However hard, I must win this race, thought he. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he could be good at something at least. Children, here we see that Tarun practiced to perfection for the race. He told the whole story to his mother also. After 5 days, he met up with Ram Narayan and collected his participation card. All that was in his mind was to win the race, to prove to his father that he is good at something. It was 14th November. Bowing low for the blessings of his mother, Tarun pedaled away to the stadium. Pedal means cycled. There was a huge crowd waiting to go inside. Tarun entered the office where a signboard read, "Participants only," with his heart beating faster every second. Inside, there were about 50 participants waiting for the race to begin. He felt someone patting him on the shoulders. "Hello, Tarun." It was Ram Narayan. "All the best," he said affectionately. Tarun smiled at him but did not say a word. Fear had gripped him from head to foot. Grip means ഭയം കൊണ്ട് അടിമുടി ഭയന്ന് നിൽക്കുമായിരുന്നു. All the participants lined up. Every face glittered means shining, with the hope of winning the race. Each one of them had his family and friends in the stands to cheer for him. Stands means gallery. To his amazement, to his surprise, Tarun caught sight of his mother in the stands. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. The whistle blew, and all the participants started off with all their might. Might means strength. They were all determined to be the winner of the race. In the lead was the fastest of them all, Tarun. Seeing himself ahead of everybody, Tarun felt very proud of himself. On the appointed day, Tarun took his mother's blessings and went for the race. Tension, fear, lack of confidence all troubled him until he got the glimpse of his mother cheering from the gallery, and best wishes from Ram Narayan too. The race started. Every participant, confident of winning it, gave their best. Tarun led the group, and for that he was proud of himself. On the track, there was a shallow path. Shallow path means shallow path of water. Shallow not so deep. As he was running fast, Tarun did not notice that and he slipped. Breathing fast, he saw the other kids going past him. Past him means they overtook him. He could not be a loser today. And so, without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. Being quick, Tarun overtook a few kids ahead of him. But as fate had it, he slipped once again. What was happening to him? He could not bear it. He looked into the crowd and saw his mother. She was saying something to him. "Get up, son, get up and run." Tarun got up once again. He was among the last few. But he did not give up. Once more, he overtook some children. Since he was fretting a little too much, fretting means he was worried, he fell a third time. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. How will he get into Ramnarayan's training now? How will he prove to his parents that he was talented? He was the last kid on the track now. He turned his eyes towards the stands. Then he heard Ram Narayan screaming from somewhere, "Come on, Tarun, run." During the race, Tarun slipped and fell. Not once, but a couple of times. He got back to his feet and ran again each time. But his chances of winning was very less. He kept on trying, and both his mother and Ram Narayan were cheering and supporting him to go on. And so he got up a third time. This 12-year-old determined boy, who was last on the track, got up and ran with all the strength he had. The crowd was cheering for Pawan. Cheering means applauding the boy who had won the race. But to Tarun's surprise, there was a louder applause when he crossed the finishing line last. The audience cheered for his determination and his valor for never giving up. Valor means courage. Determination, Dridha Nishchayam. He bowed his head with shame and said to Ram Narayan, "I am sorry, sir, I lost." "No, son, to me, you have won the toughest race, the race of your life. You got up and started afresh each time you fell. You are a real life hero. Your training starts tomorrow." Tarun could not believe his ears. Tears filled his eyes again. He smiled at his mother, who hugged him and said, "You are the best son in the world." The race ended with Tarun reaching last. Though he fell thrice, the athlete in him, the sportsman spirit, the fighter in him rose back and fought again. He completed the race. All around him appreciated for his effort. His attitude to do the best and rise back after falling gained him the goodwill of Ramnarayan. He decided to train Tarun. That was the victory of his hard work. His mother also stood by him in his failure, boosting his confidence. That brings us to the end of the lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Go through the lesson well, note the new vocabulary, complete the exercises given in the text, and write them in your notebook. Prepare well for the test paper based on this lesson. The date will be announced. Thank you.